Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the bookshelf tall. Down fell the books, big and small. Out came the sun and shine so bright, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed with all her might. Climb, 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 little spider, climb up to the top one more time. Climb, 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 little spider, go round and up you go. Wow! The Itsy Bitsy Spider is so brave! Let's sing again, even louder! Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed the backyard fence. A gentle breeze made the spider dance. Out came the sun and warmed the air, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed without a care. Climb, 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 little spider, climb up to the top one more time. Climb, 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 little spider, go round and up you go. Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up a tall tree, waving to the birdies, happy as can be. Out came the sun to